Understanding, Monitor Compliance, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and uncover the meaning behind common phrases and expressions. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, monitor compliance. It sounds a bit technical, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in conversation and professional settings. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, monitor and compliance. Monitor. This verb means to watch, keep track of, or check something regularly, especially in order to prevent or detect a problem. It involves observing or checking something over a period of time. Compliance. This noun refers to the act of obeying an order, rule, or request. It means following the rules or standards that have been set by an authority. So, when we put these two words together, to monitor compliance means to regularly check or observe if rules, regulations, or standards are being followed. Monitoring compliance is crucial in many areas, such as workplaces, schools, healthcare, and especially in industries with strict regulations like banking, environmental protection, and healthcare. Here's why it's important. Ensures safety. By monitoring compliance, organizations can ensure that their operations are safe for employees, customers, and the environment. Prevents violations. Regular monitoring helps detect and correct deviations from set standards before they lead to bigger problems or legal issues. Maintains quality. It helps in maintaining the desired level of quality in products or services by ensuring that all guidelines are followed. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in sentences. The health inspector visits restaurants regularly to monitor compliance with food safety regulations. Our company has hired a compliance officer to monitor compliance with international trade laws. Schools monitor compliance with attendance policies to ensure students are getting their education. And that's a wrap on today's topic. Monitor compliance. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to monitor compliance and why it's such an important concept in various fields. Remember, understanding these phrases not only helps you in professional settings but also improves your overall command of the English language. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and see you in the next video.